for this brilliant idea. I know the likes of D-Boy Issue once did this of getting more artists in one song. It's very good. Since song rap kubana unit. There is no to prevent such. Watapukana somewhere somehow. But let's end up with kubana unit. And then SKJ. Greetings guys and welcome to Conspicuous Talents TV, home of talent and analysis under the banner of Conspicuous Media. So today I'm going to do a reaction video for a song called Don't Cross the Line by Mtimbani featuring various artists, and those various artists are Nigayang, Dalafem, Ma7, SKJ, Price Tag, Crazy Boy Magaraba, Leo B, Sign Free, Diona, Mad Black, Lesson, Ammunition CB, D-Boy Issue, Raima, King Zoche, Songa Boy, Mostly Boy, and K-Meda, and Chaka Koratsi. The song is produced by Recommendals. So the similar producer is Recommendals. So I'm not going to direction video. So this song is for Songa Rap. It is good for Songa Rap, Songa Hip Hop, and the profile of the featured artist. So I reacted before wasting any further time because it's a long song. I think it's 12 minutes and 23 seconds. Someone I look at subscribe wala khelo lans la una shunwa shinga umala shabatinian mwana kwala muthabanyana kwalani bamsubscribe bini amlosing chumu ubuyero wa mina enkomo sorry simulele. We're back, baby. I told Josh to I'm coming back. I got my soldiers behind me. This is the remix. Yeah. Still, Rico Boy on the beat. Don't cross the line. I'm a tongue rap ignition. This game set a restriction. Ninga do me loco men and got and plug the great distinction. I'm a number one operator. Marangani pita moderator. Logo tanga tiku kuna salam teko mota on a kela alternator. You put you back on a competition because I'm better than you, bro. And I put up to me chumula kamina mina to everything you know. Been there, done that. And I stood up where I run there. Took a bring it on, I'm a crush there. Talk about Brisbane, fuck that. Motherfuckers better know, but I don't quit and I don't lose. Let it call me bazooka when I pull a trigger, man, I don't choose. Kill them all, but the salad to funeral. Like a song rap minute bang of vitamin at the mineral. Hey, like a song rap minute bang of vitamin at the mineral. I've been there, done that. Okay, so Mtimbani indicate theme of the song, line of the match. So this song, it will combat dominance. Don't cross the line, so let's hear what the rest has to offer or has for us in store.
Is a secret that I show it to anybody that want to devour me. Wanna send you color like Kanye Ball. My niggas keep it shit. I bought the I'm walking dead beats like I will know. I don't want any second fucking fools. Nicht fucking for broken souls. Nicht gesagt that Kompass goes. Ha, man up on the frame of Klumkash follow straight at close. Got toast, don't get the goes. No career and the goes. My air is toxic, love for foot.
Your career if you cross the line, don't cross the line. Okay, so far it's a good song. I am not going to I'm back to first. But my cobra brand, but to like what the cobra left. I'm some elements like a prison dungeon. Plans like a prison. I'm prison. This nigga's a sleeping. I'm the one who put song or rap on that MTV base. Make no mistake, I'm a god, I can do it again. Don't cross the line, cause the terminate your will to be great. Man, love on my level, let's just say by this game. I don't care if you don't like me or you steady trying to fight me. No tico punta west up on responder, it's unlikely, but y'all doubt me. That's cool, y'all just want to be me. One's on the center, cause one leg at SABC. They despise me because of what I achieved. My accolades are multiplying, I'm Mtimbani agrees. We took this rap nationwide, motivated by streets. I put my heart in the beat, and every toast as we eat, and now we having a feast. So that basically, yeah, man, take up some rap ni MTV base. And then, so he just speaks of his achievements and the contribution ka tsonga rap tsonga hip hop. Okay, it's good. Don't cross the line. So yaka verse 2. So this is my 7.
Azina kulanda no mwana manye type izina kutsanda flow nathembinga nwela pavini ntwazini azini ezinye izinto kumele uzizi cause ngavuka ezinye izibi ngivuthi izinje ezini abo kandubula touch dabuka sidala ubuzikiziki nathi kumiro reka ngweni yathama kadzingizini cause loko ifikini nje kafiwa doki batekela nabo shiri laba boy ngethi bona eish bana babaloyi sebanizona ikuba track namsimbani sebasungula kunloya.
Yeah, nigga, don't cross the line.
So, engarura kama eyathama kadzingidzingi if you cross the line. Okay, Leo B.
Discipline itu ani bara una line. Niba punchline tanga rhyme was tiba mic. Mic check 1 2. Half tech high shoe. SK to the J tanga batu. Inga tinti boza itebangela milanzu. Verse ya mea career I okapita kuhanzu. Sangane na panzul. Don't cross the line. C-section soldier fire and shoko soldier snipe. Songa rap god 2020 de mesai. Underground is
SKJ, not your B.
Bekantangi Swissa so gumnande kai. So don't cross the line.
I know I'm the greatest, I just never said it. Royal lot of songs for niggas, never taking credit. Niggas too quick to break the G code just cause of hoes. Always wanna strike a pose. Y'all just talk like hoes. Oh, you wanna be a tough nigga? Not me, I am a field nigga. I teach niggas and I build niggas. Never been the type to get featured on a song and try to kill niggas. I don't need the speeches. Rappers want beef, I got a bigger fish to fry. Took more than 6 shots, didn't even die. Say they got my back, but when it's time they never slide. Always keep a Glock right beside, never wanna trust these niggas.
Price tag to okay, inside my friend yaka Crazy Boy. Verse number 3. So this song in a 6 watt verse, it divide to a verse in 3 watt artist. So verse number 3, Crazy Boy, you've been as I'm free. Came in and killed the chorus. Killed it.
I'm so impure and make it nama demon. Crazy baba, barna baba, yam the Holy Ghost. Don't cross the line, guys, in tam karata ngofu. When ranza kumita, something bang when magofu. Crazy ni blind dope, dopa dane drug. I'm a big 5 like uchafa swanzan. Wait from Zenga plaga ya fole rantan. Meg nuk sat mut nuk kamansan. I shake a big in the taman to le super dope. Look bella punch kukwata, ngaku go. Music is not a punchline, but a catchy flow. Don't cross the line and diss me and diss no. My skills are witchcraft. You got us to see.
Crazy Boy killed his verse, killed it. He murdered it. And then nsakisanga for his song ali xitra ku lani. Maremela ma xitsonga ti fleko xitsonga leswo kahle so khomana kulo kunanzikini. Don't cross the line. Okay, I tune Leo B.
I'm the lawyer cause now umeliwa and I'm what we need. They're trying to bear false witness gamba numbe teki ikwalava kunihisa and I'm numbe teki. Balava kushatayela on my neck, fuck with this black cat made butter up his bread. Hey, I had to tell them the story stay spinning. From the horse's mouth, man, what shall I teach you? Balava just on Kulaminenge, but they always was defeated when who win a gang. If you get Bruce Lee or you play a game of death, cause I pray on you nigga, then kill you from a scratch like.
Please, Ngani, Boogie, boys.
So Leo B finished this verse, and then this now is sign free. Starting from please man food.
Yes man, the legend Poga boys. Never ever cross the line, boys, I'm warning you. Papa boys, I'm warning you. Before you cross the line, you need to read the sign. La botala mega papa pela la me fike ka sign. Being on easy, being up a piece in it, I'm on a piece in it, I'm a magician. I'm tell a log on Papa boys, I'm warning you. When I miss it, I'm not the politician. niteli di politics. Tana nigga se logo when I'm lava competition. Nigga me defeat.
Sign Free finished this verse. So Labanga Famba from Mtimbani to Sign Free, they're still following the theme of the song. Don't cross the line, because my stock man runs the politics. Local competition, Volani, Nitan defeated, that's Sign Free. So, Loiwa Diona, she's the only female artist got this remix. I tweet.
Bitch, all I know is that but along when I'm all up on the one and the weed. Fuck, I know no take a good chance and stop on the daydream. I was on my damn shower with Solid with Carlos and taking, but look at the life that I'm living. So laying that I'm winning. You whining and kicking. That's the rest of the kissing. Tamakalini away. Pay like for tag away. Take a the papa to left. I'm raw model. I stand the chance to spin a bottle. You know why? Cause I have body taste to win the battle. I'm nearly under pressure. I'm able just to show my medal. You know why? Cause I'm promoted Tiger Family.
You know why? Cause I'm promoted Tiger Fam. Don't cross the line. And then Matt Black.
This shit is prophecy, but still I'm a bill.
Sha and the son and the machine. Sha controller. And then okay, Matt Black. I'm going to continue from Matt Black.
Cause I'm promoted Tiger Family.
I'm in Ibagel, I wanna man, this shit is prophecy, but still I believe the game changes. But I call her Jangara, so all over to Nukomba, couldn't suka kui, Tulanzilicano, I decide how long you get to leave. Dame Matimo, Unangas Fana Natilo, Walalan Bona Matino, Timbili Chile in zero. Sikare vilunga chai, Wanyanja Meru, Tasala, Labutongi, Tatanunga, Wela, Welu, Tastaka. I told myself in the Fumeri, Sala, Sagonia, so if you cross the line, Dwana Mani, Mutapona, lots of attractions, Pone Malembenza, Puntapuka, with the chance in Gelungi, Kasiba Queen, Amunta. Yeah, loyal, listen.
So, Matt Black killed this verse. Inspiration. That advice, throw his verse. Don't cross the line. So here a lesson.
I'm a beast with a taste for beats that are classic. Spitting bars that will make your face like it's plastic. Know you like using my name in vain like you know me. If your game is real for real, pick up the mic and show me. My verses are written in stone, I'm more like Moses Einstein with them rhymes, making words come out smelling like roses. It's a gift from God, you can take this, shake this, or fake this. So you better seize and disease with your lame diss. You can touch this, don't be messing around with the mic, man. Let me have that. Gonna go like Lomi, but I guess your punk ass didn't know that.
Lesson done, and then verse number 5. Personal ammunition.
Don't cross the line. Don't you cross the line. Don't cross the line. ACP. I say, homeboy, langa tangelinga chuni flop on komele toy. Nuk pais na panimele top. I'm crazy boy. Nuk jela chick nuk tisela crop shit. One and one angala kun end this a flop. Never cross the line. Nuk ubzele kalunga jai. Man, the game is mine. Bana you ten slow nga jai. Solo velendelan fiken faka stop no sense. Iskanza mahanyelo ma repele skala no sense. Yima saitini 2-1 no kala process. Ngani teli hiti jokes. Ani wana wa crash. Briga bari yima wana briga ntagotima. The big boss nza game kia lova kia.
Twal, bari dibo issue wili kasanwangi meyana haza hablan koke moya. Twal, ne black jaguar remember ne tuabonansi basandi way batha bangel body koya. Batutu me rapi batinda kolo yinda batitela shungu ne bakoba kukama kuta ne noa. Pass after pass na my punch where the funali. Don't cross the line, tell me like put it one band. My voice is sweet and clean, the grula in cooking man. When you got to lay here in the twat, they mean a host ya one of them rappers who run in the bomber here in the twat. And cut it take a few in the twat. Conversation to the market, but let the man to the call.
Calling Zama, one man, I pulled it up. I follow the crew, not the gang, but still I hit them up. So walk your lane, I walk my way. And as I'm try to talk my game, I'm like, The illest nigga that can blow your brains. I custom page your favorite G with the bars I lay. Representing H-Town until I faint. Labantongo batakula batayisa mahlwen. I'm loving my rhymes, I'm loving my skill. Ganjani kale nizam ta fela nyimpin. Cause labotala asha bo bala pala tindlel. And loko fika hitingalo fika pora ingena ishu.
Okay, so verse number 5, Ammunition CB, Ammunition Crazy Boy killed his verse, then D-Boy Ishoma Bikiri killed his verse, Rhymer killed his verse, and then let's listen to the last verse, verse number 6, King Zoche, Tsonga Boy, Mostly Boy, and then we are done, and then me no comment.
For men, come il pompo e stonga boy. Joan, ni bakatara vachina le pompo boy. Come rap, king with the tonga boy. Aswintin kuva king ni show anitwa gizara. Fikara out manduz wa shega gigaba. 1 meter across the line tafuka litaba. Men deep in our 10 at the depart. Join a Russian arms and ishtirisha le gigin. Sidung na beef yas galan famban dipin. Me come plug and we say main switch picking. King Fiki, win Bandao, Seba Will, Oyashi, some dog.
How nine of storage, Propol Kalati Cake, Wopeka storage, Nika flower sheet, Rapanyana Wato, Tataka Kana beat, Minana Wena Kaisan, goes out for Malahi, the Hana Sikamanik, Shelaku Pain, the Tabana King, the Parafik, Panicampel and Nicala League, High, Nukupa Street, and Kurope, Animalinga, Nika, 2 minutes of this, Local Kansa Peter, Shilling Chica, Tikama Bones, the police, all the Takomachon. Record the everywhere, Lamina go. Now one twist, cause a week, Nago John, high nigga, copycat to Terracopena, Tani talking Tom.
I'm not going to run away, comment zero.
Mostly Boy.
When the money walk a money, no one can give me. I left the body, culture, she don't love Antiro. I love. I'm out to Mamartivo when you are young man. Sons never one of us, Peter never die, man. Sons of Tanga Polo, or computer never name, man. You get a good dependent the money, you are still man. Shut away, I tear it, and I go a data. Menuka punching down the tanga thing gets off. Utan is on the Shagaguno and control. Logonga so when I see him the hands off. Now I won't film away. I switch off.
Guys, this song, number 1, salute to Mtimbani and his team for this brilliant idea. I know the likes of D-Boy Issue once did this, of getting more artists in one song. It's very good. Since song rap kubana unit. There is no to prevent such. But somewhere somehow. But let's end up with kubana unit. And then SKJ and I think who else? Na lesson. They introduced themselves. Don't you lesson on gonna hear lesson. Even if our check track list was like I got to stop this lesson. So I'm for no offense, I will mean well and man. And then King Zoche. Chincha mood young woman yes, Chincha mood young woman Cash relax, because it's not one I couldn't Makaku Zorana and Kanu don't cross the line. Cut the Chincha the bus slow. And then Ganakatsanga boy na mostly boy. More like one thing. Let's start with Tafana, not the Tafana. The way this one is better so silent. So let's with the person who grouped the verse to have verse number 1 Timbani, Gayang, Dalafem, and then number 2, my 7 SKJA and Price Tag, Crazy Boy Magaraba, Leo B, Sign Free. In the right move. Since I got the same morning, I've been must make a sense, cash, contact flow, cash. So producer it really, BT cash, and everything is just good. Do you have anything to say? comment section. So mina I'm going to tell you that this song the party team. I will start in Dala FM. I love this verse, and then also Sign Free. I like this verse, and then Yaka na. Can't manage like I know I'm the greatest, but I've never said it. I think it's Lil B. I also love that part. And then lastly, Mostly Boy. I love this part also, or his verse. So those who haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe. Comment section. Sign out. Bye bye.